Hello everyone, I'm Morgana from Cooking Clean and Everything Between. I am so grateful to have you back, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I will be giving an honest review on the Bella Griddle that I got from Macy's a couple weeks ago. If you have not seen that unbox video, go check it out now, and I will put the link down below for you. As you can see, it's an oversized griddle. It does come with a temperature level, and as you can see, you can put on warm, off, and then has a temperature all the way to 400. So in this video is my first time using the griddle, and I will be making bacon, eggs, and home fries for breakfast. So I will start with the bacon, and it does come with a temperature of everything that you cook. And it did say for bacon that you have to cook at 350, so that's what I did. It did say to cook for 15 minutes, but I thought that was a little too much. So I cooked my bacon for about 10 minutes, and that was absolutely perfect. This product does come with a grease trap, and as you can see, the grease is falling right in it. The next step would be the eggs. All I did was remove with a napkin or a paper towel a little bit of that bacon grease, and I just put the eggs in there. So you don't need to add anything else, butter or anything, because the bacon left a little bit of the grease, so it's perfect to cook the eggs just like that. On the cooking guide, for some reason, they did not give the temperature for egg or for how long you cook eggs. What I did was I put the griddle on 200, and I cooked my eggs for about a minute in each side. Here's me flipping after a minute, and it came out perfect. It looks like the cleanup would be fairly easy. All I did was I put a little bit of detergent on a sponge. I didn't film this process, but I just put a little bit of detergent on a sponge, and I wiped it down. All the suds went inside that trap, and it was nice. I cleaned the little trap, and it was ready to put away. And there it is, guys. Everything I cooked on the griddle. The only thing I didn't cook on the griddle was the toast, of course. So I used my toaster for that. But everything else I cook in there, it was absolutely fabulous. So 5 out of 5 for this product. I love it. Can't wait to cook something else on it and let you guys know how it came out. Again, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching. I see you on the next one. Have a great day. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell.